Good morning, students. Today we are going to read another lecture in the topic of the fractions in the subject of mathematics O levels. And the today's lecture title is multiplying two proper fractions. So again, this is a famous topic of paper number 1. Questions from this topic frequently come in the paper number 1 of mathematics. So these questions are required to solve mentally and manually. Calculators will not be allowed. So learn the techniques. For example, here is a question. Find the value of 3 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 9. The first method is directly multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 3 multiplied by 4s are 12 and 8 9s are 72. And after that, cancel the values. So these two values are coming in the table of 12. So 12 ones are 12 and 12 6 are 72. So this is the answer. So method is first multiply, then cancel. Here is another method to solve the same question. The method is first cancel the values and then solve it. So look, this is the question. The values can be cancelled. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and 4 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4, and 4 twos are 8. So no more values are cancelled now. So multiply the numerator with the numerator. So 1 ones are 1 and 2 threes are 6. So this is the answer. So the two methods of the question are, one is first multiply, then cancel. And the second method is first cancel and then multiply. So these are the two methods. So it will be up to you which method you use. Both methods are accurate. Both methods are right. So it will be up to you. Thank you so much. Here are some more examples. The question is, a bottle contains 2 by 5 liters of the water. Mark drank 1 by 4 of it. How much water did he drink? So 1 by 4 of it. Of stand for multiply. So look now, 1 by 4 of will be multiply. It stand for the total quantity of the water. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 5 is actually the mathematical form of this descriptive form. So this is the mathematical form now, 1 by 4 of 2 by 5. So values are going to be cancelled. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator. 1 ones are 1 and 2 fives are 10. So liter unit is used. So liters. So it means the Mark has drank 1 by 10 liters of the water. Here is another question. Here is a very small technicality in it as well. So look clearly and carefully. A rectangle measures 4 by 7 meter by 3 by 8 meter. Again, by stand for also multiply. So 4 by 7 multiply 3 by 8. So this is the descriptive form, of which this is the mathematical form. So by stand for multiply. So 4 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 8. Okay, requirement is find the area of the rectangle. So at this step, values are going to be cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this is the simplest form now of the two fractions. So now multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 threes are 3 and 7 twos are 14. So this is an proper fraction and which is not going to be cancelled further. So this is the most simplest form. And area is, find the area, because the area's unit is square units and this unit is used in the question is meter. So unit of the answer will be meter square because this is the area. Here is another example. Belinda bought 2 by 3 kg of the brown sugar and 7 by 9 kg of the white sugar. So she is actually purchasing two different types of the sugars, brown and white. Okay, further statement is she used 1 by 4 of the brown sugar and 3 by 7 of the white sugar. How many kilograms of the sugar did she use altogether? So it is clear from the question. First, we will find the sugar, brown sugar that is used, and then we will find the white sugar that is used. So look here, 1 by 4 of the brown sugar. So it means 1 by 4 of stand for multiply, and brown sugar, that is 2 by 3. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 3. So this is the mathematical form of this portion. She used 1 by 4 of the brown sugar. So at this stage, we will cancel the values. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator. So 1 ones are 1, and denominator by denominator. 2 threes are 6. So this is the brown sugar that is used. Now we are coming into this portion, and 3 by 7 of the white sugar. So 3 by 7 of stand for multiply of the white sugar, and here is the white sugar. So 3 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 9. So look now, this is the mass, this is the mathematical form of that portion. So at this stage, now cancel the values. So 7 ones are 7, and 7 ones are 7, and 3 ones are 3, and 3 threes are 9. Multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 ones are 1, and 1 threes are 3. So this is the white sugar that is used. Okay, next requirement of this statement was, look here. The statement was, how many kilograms of the sugar did she use altogether? Okay, this was the quantity of the brown sugar that was used, and this was the quantity of the white sugar that was used. So now we will add 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. So look now, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. After solving this, we will get the sugar that is used altogether. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So these are two unlike fractions. First, we will convert them into like fractions. So multiply this fraction by 2 in the numerator and denominator as well. So 2 ones are 2, and 2 threes are 6. So here are like fractions now. So 6 is the denominator, and numerator will be added, 1 plus 2, 3. So this is the fraction. At this stage, we will cancel the values. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 by 2 kg is the sugar that is used altogether. Here is another example. The statement is, Jason had some money. He spent 1 by 3 of it on a football, and 6 by 7 of the remainder on a racket. What fraction of his money did he spend on the racket? Okay, in total he is having 1. 1 stand for 100%. So 1 minus 1 by 3, because 1 by 3 of the money is going to be spent on the football. So 1 minus 1 by 3. We are going to solve it. The answer will be 2 by 3. So this is the money that is remainder, because you have subtracted the money of the football from the total money. So 1 minus 1 by 3, the answer will be remainder. Okay, now the next part of the statement, and 6 by 3 of the remainder. Of stand for multiply. So 6 by 7 multiplied by remainder, that is 6 by 7 multiplied by 2 by 3. So cancel it now. That is the answer that is actually spent on purchasing a racket, because 6 by 7 of the remainder was spent on racket. So this is the money, this is the portion that is spent on the racket. So A part is done. That is, what fraction of his money did he spend on racket? So racket's portion was here now. Now B part. B part is, what fraction of his money was left? Okay. After purchasing the football, this was the remainder. So if we subtract the money that is spent on the racket from the remainder, the answer will be the B part. What fraction of his money was left? So now look, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 7. So look now, this is the mathematical form. This is the equation of the B part now. So these are unlike fractions. First, we will convert them into like fractions by multiplying the first fraction with 7 in the numerator and denominator, and the second fraction by 3 in the numerator and denominator to get the denominator 21. So when 21 denominator is there, 14 minus 12 will be the answer of the numerator. So 2 by 21 is the money that was left. Okay, this is one method of solving the question, that is converting the unlike fractions into like fractions. So I'm going to tell you another method to solve this kind of question. So only this portion is I'm going to solve through another method. So to solve that portion is another method is 2 by 3 minus 4 by 7 was the thing. Another method is take the LCM of the denominator. So 3 and 7 is having an LCM of 21. So read the table of this value to this one. So 3 7s are 21, and that 7 will be multiplied with 2. So 14 will be here. This minus sign will remain as it is. Now read the table of this up to this. So 7 3s are 21. That 3 will be multiplied with 4. So 12. Now subtract these two values, 14 minus 12, 2, and 21 is as it is. So this is another method to solve that portion.